It's time to craft with Elf Nelly. Today we are making a sparkly gingerbread house and a lovely sparkly gingerbread looking man. You can make as many of these as you like, but I'm just going to show you how to make one of each. First, you should grab something that looks like this. This comes in the post quite regularly at our house in the North Pole. If you get a bit of card like this and turn it over, you could sketch out using a pencil and a ruler your lovely house shapes. And then if you've got a gingerbread man cookie cutter, you could use that to draw around and make the gingerbread man shape. As you can see, I used a cookie cutter, but you could just do it any shape you like. Now I could use my scissors, but I'm going to use my cutting magic. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It worked! We've got our house shape and our gingerbread man shape. Now you could make this using white paint, which I have here, or you could get a chalk pen. I've got a metallic chalk pen. So I'm going to do my house using the paint and my gingerbread man using the pen. You can do any design you like, but I'm going to do a little scalloped roof to make it look like tiles. And us elves absolutely love gingerbread. We eat it every single day in the North Pole. It keeps us going when we're working in the good old Santa's toy workshop. But of course we always make sure we brush our teeth really, really well. Next I'm going to do some windows. I'm going to do 2 up the top and then a big arch-shaped door down the bottom. I'm going to do a crisscross shape with a bit of a scalloped top and a scalloped bottom, and a scalloped shape is where you just kind of go like that. And another window. This is gonna look yummy enough to eat. So now I'm doing a big door and I'm going to do a little heart shape in the centre. Look, it looks so cute. And now I'm going to do a little white border around the edge. Like I said, you can get really creative with this and you can do whatever design you love. I'm going to do more scallops along the bottom. If you don't have any white paint or any metallic or chalk pens, you could, with your grown-ups' permission, use Tipp-Ex. That would also work really well. So now I'm going to do some design. So I'm going to get the wrong end of my paintbrush, and I'm going to use its bottom to do dots because I want a dotty spotty gingerbread house. Dot, dot, dot. This bit's really fun. Dot, 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 dot. Oh, I love it so much. It's so lovely. So I've done my lovely dots. Oh, let me pick it up for you and show you. I've done my lovely dots and I'm just going to put that to side to dry whilst I do my little gingerbread man. Okay, so I've got my lovely pen and first I'm going to do his lovely face. 2 eyes and a big smile. Do you like making gingerbread men? And don't forget his gumdrop buttons. Now I'm going to do some more scallop shapes on his arms. I'm going to give mine as a present to Elf Gerald, and I'm going to do it as a trick. I'm going to say, oh, I made you a gingerbread house and a gingerbread man to eat. And he's going to go, ew, that doesn't taste very nice, Elf Nelly. And I'll say it's because I tricked you. It's not really gingerbread, it's card. Who could you trick? and I'm going to have stripy trousers on my gingerbread man. Look, he is so cute. I love it. Now I'm going to get some PVA glue, but you could use a glue stick to do the little glitter details on my gingerbread man. I'm going to do glitter on his buttons and on the stripy bits of his trousers. He's gonna look so cool. I wish I had stripy glittery trousers. I have a friend called Pirate Pearl, and she has stripy trousers because she's a pirate, but she hasn't got glitter ones. I'm going to do white glitter because it looks like snow, and guess what? Elves love snow. Considering we live in the North Pole with lots and lots of snow. There we go, sprinkling it on like this. Oh, it looks so good. And then we're going to tip it off. Oh, can you see the sparkles? He looks so cute. Now, your paint should be mostly dry by now. Mine's nearly dry. And I'm going to do a sparkly roof in white snow sparkles and a sparkly pink door. It's going to look so good. So again, I'm going to use PVA glue, but you could just use a glue stick. It's best to let the paint dry completely if you are using paint, but I have to get back to the Santa's workshop very soon to get cracking on more present making and loading onto the sleigh. As you can imagine, with every child in the world, it takes quite a long time, but it's my favourite job in the world. Well, apart from crafting, I absolutely love Christmas crafts. They're so much fun to do. I've put the glue on and now I'm going to do the glitter. So my glittery, snowy, sparkly roof is going on now. That's so spread on. And where's my pink? I'm going to use this pink. It's going to look so good. There we go. Pink, pink, pink. Pink door with a heart on it. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to repaint my little cabin in the North Pole to look like this because it looks so good. And tip it off. Oh, look, can you see? So I've got my wonderful gingerbread man, my pink and white sparkly house. And that is how you do it. You could make lots of them to make a little elf village, a gingerbread elf village. And then you can make loads of little gingerbread people to live in it. And maybe you could stick it up in your bedroom, make a big picture with it, or stick it on your windows. But always ask a grown-up's permission before you stick things on walls, okay? Thank you so much for crafting with me today. I absolutely loved it. I can't wait to see your creations, and don't forget to subscribe for more Supernova Kids craft time.